Read the instruction first.
What is the following organ which is not the right?
Louder.
In what ways do we use the following organs? In each row of pictures, cross out one. The picture does not relate to the blue shaded picture.
Yeah. Okay. Which one is not related? You will cross it out.
Oh yeah, this one.
Okay. Because she used what?
Nose.
Yeah. She look at the window, and the other one is reading. Right?
Is this touch?
Look at this.
Nose. Smelling? Is this smelling?
Yeah. Like that.
Also smelling.
Yes. And the
Is
other
this
one.
not smelling?
What's that?
Dancing.
Yeah.
Cross.
Cross it out.
Cross.
Yes. Next one.
Ears. Hearing. This one is hearing.
Yeah.
This one is hearing. This one is not hearing.
Yes. Look at that. She is listening to the music, and this one is listening to the telephone. She's talking in the telephone. Next. Oh, tongue.
Yes.
What did she do?
Licking this.
Yes.
Ice cream.
This one.
Uh,
What's that?
just gonna lick this microphone. And this
Is she licking the microphone?
yeah.
No. Look at this. She's just singing. It's used for singing. And this one, she's cooking, and she is tasting if she could cook good. Is it cross?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, next.
Hand. Touching. Touching. Not touching. She listening.
Yeah. Okay.